Every year, thousands of smart, hardworking people apply to 10, 20, even more, sometimes 30 scholarships, and get rejected from all of them. Not because they are weak, not because they are unqualified, but because they are applying to the wrong opportunities. Most of them don't even realize that is what is happening.
Yeah, so it's because they confuse famous with being fit.
Mhm.
So they chase prestige instead of probability. Then they treat applications like lottery tickets
Mhm.
instead of strategic bet. Every application costs something. It costs energy, it costs focus, something predictable happens.
Mhm.
Your essay gets thin,
Mhm.
your story gets generic, your direction gets blurry, and instead of looking focused, you start looking like someone who's trying everything and hoping that something will stick.
Mhm.
And confusion is not a winning signal.
Okay.
So volume creates the illusion of seriousness. I tell people to sort opportunities into three buckets.
Mhm.
So bucket one is where you have the perfect fit. Bucket two is where you stretch.
Mhm.
Then bucket three, now that is what I call the fantasy applications. They look beautiful. Your
Mhm.
story doesn't really belong there yet. So most of your energy should really go into buckets one and two. I think rejection, that is data.
Mhm.
So rejection doesn't mean give up. It means adjust. So I would say stop chasing prestige and start choosing probability. Changes your life more than 10 beautiful rejections because you're targeting the wrong bucket.
So smart applicants don't ask, is this famous?
Mhm,
They ask, is this for me
mhm,
right now?
mhm.
And if today made you realize you have been knocking on the wrong doors, that's not failure, that's clarity.